A closer look 1. 1. Listen and repeat these words.
Unit 4. Page 40. A closer look 1. Activity 1. Listen and repeat these words.
Painter, artist, actress, musician, puppet, dancer, singer, songwriter.
5. Listen and repeat. Pay attention to the sounds sh and z.
Activity 5. Listen and repeat. Pay attention to the sounds sh and zh.
Sh. Condition. Ocean. Shy. Sugar. Machine. Zh. Measure. Pleasure. Usual. Vision. Television.
6. Listen to the words and put them into 2 groups.
Activity 6. Listen to the words and put them into 2 groups.
Anxious. Closure. Musician. Dishwasher. Occasion. Leisure. Television. Rubbish.
Seven. Listen and repeat the sentences. Underline the words with the sound sh.
Activity 7. Listen and repeat the sentences. Underline the words with the sound sh once. Underline the words with the sound zh twice.
1. Can you show me the new machine?
2. They sing the song Auld Lang Syne on some occasions.
3. The musician is very anxious about the next performance.
4. She wanted to share her pleasure with other people.
5. The new cinema is opposite the bus station.
6. Are you sure this is an interesting television program?